to my crib.
Hey, Jords, what's up?
How's it?
It's also my crib, by the way.
Our crib.
Welcome to Jords and I's new apartment. Jords,
Yeah.
take the tour away, man.
Alright, so this is our kitchen where our dishes are. Oh, we got that. Our dishes are still being washed.
Because students always have to wash dirty dishes.
Yes. A lot of them.
Microwave, fridge,
Where the booze.
booze.
Booze and food.
Note to self, none of the booze is mine.
Yeah.
It's all Jords's. But yeah, that's the fridge. This is the kitchen.
Yeah. All our cupboards.
George redecorated yesterday, and I'm a fan of how the cups are organized.
Thank you, thank you.
George, what kind of nutrition are you into?
Carbs.
Carbs. It really is.
Coffee.
This is a carbs cupboard.
100%.
Look, it's just beans, pasta, rice, couscous. I'm on board.
What else do students need? We just miss
Tea,
2 minute
coffee,
meals.
cereals. Not bad. Not a bad, healthy diet for this.
We're gonna get some bar stools, hopefully at some point.
We are?
But we are.
Okay,
So
that's
we're
cool.
gonna eat. And then our nice lounge, which is our awesome couch, literally the most comfortable.
Go sample it for us.
And then our balcony, which fits a third of a person.
I mean, you can fit properly, but you can't spend many hours out here. It's too uncomfortable. We have a nice view at the moment, actually. That's good for winter because the sun hits this way and we're not going to freeze. There's Duncan Court over there and the birds in the trees over there. Now, take us through to your room, George.
We've got TV and our awesome beanbag.
Yes, indeed.
And then my room, Mitch's room. My room's all white. Not much colour theme to it. Just beds, cupboards, desk where I'll be spending all my time studying.
What are you studying, George?
Engineering, geology.
I'm a fan. Anything with engineering in it.
Good to go.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very clean.
My little trees and my lights. Yay.
Oh, that's so aesthetic.
Thank you, thank you.
And with the trees out the window.
Yeah, nice little view.
Good. Is there a story behind this turtle?
This is from Kyla, my roommate's sister.
That's my sister vlog.
Yeah. I went dolphin diving and landed up diving with the turtles. So she bought me a turtle.
It's cool,
And
man.
then my little bathroom.
It's bigger than mine though, so actually, not so
Large
little.
bathroom.
Large bathroom.
And then Mitch's room.
Yes,
Should I
Mitch's
take
room.
over?
Yeah. So vlog, I'm dressed like this not because I saw you coming, but because I'm doing some back work at the moment. Me and James are doing some back work out in Sanson. And just got home. But yeah, this is my room. As you can see, my fan is still in the assembly stage. I have yet to attach this front panel because I haven't been able to figure out the instructions yet of how to attach these front screws and this front thing. It's a work in progress anyway, I haven't been here a lot. Yeah, this is a bed, you've seen it before. Nice Mr. Monster duvet. Cupboards over there with a good old bicycle helmet and
Helmet.
you gotta have the helmet. Shirts and that. I don't have all my stuff here yet, so it's actually like pretty empty at the moment. We just have 1 or 2. It looks really ratchet. 1 or 2 shirts and some dirty washing at the bottom.
Nice
You don't get to
shoes.
see that.
Yeah.
And yeah, I have a smaller room at the moment because I think I take up less space than George's stuff, or George needs
Probably.
space. This is my desk, and I've yet to bring through my monitor and that, and all the groovy stuff that makes computer engineering more fun, but it's good. The MacBook and that is fine at the moment.
Yeah.
And this is my whiteboard that I've got here with my Mars novel
Story
planning. Mars novel writing has taken a back seat at the moment to back work, but it's coming on slowly. Check it out if
We'll
you want to
get
see
there.
more. And then, yeah, my small bathroom.
Bathroom.
It's not too bad, although the shower does leak at the moment, so this rug is like
Yeah.
constantly wet, but it's not too bad. It's a good time being here, and I hope Jords and I are going to have a really good year this year.
It will
And
be a
so,
great year.
Yeah, I hope that you come and see us again soon.